Welcome back to DIY No Need to Cry with Ivelisse. Hi, my crafty family. This week's DIY is this cute Barbie Wine Bottle Lamp I made for my niece. DIY Barbie Wine Bottle Lamp decor using the Decoupage technique. Please turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. Let's get started. After you have your bottle lamp all put together, it's time to decorate it. If you want to know how I turned the bottle into a lamp, the link is in the description box below. Okay, so before I decorated it, I sealed the hole where the cord comes out of the bottle with hot glue and added sand so that the bottle would have some weight to it. Don't do this, as it came off while I was decorating it. I believe they sell something for that called a grommet, so use that instead. Using a sponge brush and white matte acrylic paint, I painted the whole bottle. You can take the light socket out, paint that section, and put it back in. Let that dry and give it another coat. While the bottle is drying, cut out the designs you want from the napkin. I cut Barbie out first. Then, I separated the plies of paper. I then cut out all the individual hearts, but I found that taking the plies off first was easier because the hearts were so small. I used more than 10 napkins to get all the hearts. Now it's time to decoupage. Using a brush, place some Mod Podge on the spot where you'll be placing the image. You want a nice even layer of glue, but work quickly as you don't want the glue to dry before placing the design. Place the design and using a piece of plastic wrap, smooth out the wrinkles the best you can. And add one more coat of Mod Podge to seal it in. I also added the Barbie logo and let that dry. And then added the hearts around the logo. Next, I fixed the bottom of the bottle so that her skirt went all the way down by adding paint. Using a black paint marker and the lines already on her skirt as a guide, I just made them longer. I then added a darker pink and let that dry. I added some diamond glitter paint to the white part of the bottle. You can give it as many coats as you like. I gave it 2. Then added yellow glitter paint to her hair and let that dry. Using Mod Podge and rhinestones, I blinged out her necklace. And that's it for the bottle. For the lampshade, I randomly decoupaged gold hearts to all 4 sides. I then did the same thing to the middles, but using both the pink and gold hearts. Fill in the area with the gold hearts with pink paint on all 4 sides. I painted the trim with a gold metallic paint marker. Added the diamond glitter paint to all 4 sides and let that dry. And finally, using a Sharpie, add polka dots and outline the gold hearts on the sides. This is the Barbie bottle lamp all finished, and I couldn't be happier. Now, let's just hope my 8-year-old niece loves it as much as I do. She's a tough critic, so I'll get the real review from her for sure. This was my very first lamp, and I'm so happy you guys kept requesting it. I was so nervous to drill into the bottle, but now I know it's not hard at all. Thank you so much for helping me push past my comfort zone, because this just opened up so many creative possibilities. If you don't want to make the lamp, just add all the hearts to the bottle instead, and you'll still have a beautiful piece. Remember that you can decorate it with anything. It doesn't have to be with paper napkins or Barbie themed. Use what you want, and as always, have fun, be creative, and make a mess. Thanks for watching! If you liked this video, please don't forget to thumbs it up as it helps the growth of the channel and to show your support. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing to get updates on future videos. And remember, do it yourself. There's no need to cry.